Okay, today we're working on a 2010 Grand Caravan. The vehicle come in with an issue of no rear wiper. So I tested the motor earlier in the week. I didn't have my camera. I forgot it at home. So it didn't have no power back there. So it's either this, which is the turn signal wiper combo, or it's a broken wire from somewhere in that console or the dash back to the back hatch. So hopefully this will fix it. No guarantees. Something else we're doing. I bought trouble lights from, I think it's Bayo, B-A-Y-O. And these things are a piece of shit. Okay? They're absolute garbage. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I got mine from my parts store. I went through 3 in 3 weeks, and I'm not hard on my equipment. So I told them to send me out a good trouble light. And this is what they sent me. It's called the Nightstick. 66 LED, 6 LED on the bottom, and it's rechargeable. So we're going to try it out today and see if I can't break the stupid thing. And it's bright, as you can see. I mean, that thing's bright. Bottom, it's pretty bright too. So let's get to work. We're inside the Caravan now, and this is where we're working. Right here, really close quarters with the camera. But this is what we're working on right here. Turn signal switch and wiper switch and the rear wiper switch. Never done one of these before, so it's going to be a learning process. That's something I want to throw in here real quick. They build cars nowadays. They don't want you to work on your own vehicles. They don't even want just normal mechanics working on your own vehicles, which is fine. All this is a learning process. Okay? Don't get frustrated, flustered. Look at it and figure it out. It's that simple. Okay? Very simple. So, okay. Back to what we're doing. Up under here, under the console, you're going to see a screw here. There are Phillips, which I'm surprised, and one here, and one here. There's 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take those 3 screws out. And when I get those 3 screws out, I'll get right back to you, and we'll go from there. Okay, all you actually have to do is take out this screw on the left and one on the right. Okay, that's it. You do not have to take out anything else. And then all you do is you pull your top cover off. It should just snap, as you can see I'm doing right here. And let me get my light. And this is what we got. Actually, very simple so far. I think, wish I could hold this light a little better. I think, I'm going to zoom in, this little tab right there. I think you pop that tab, and I think that just pulls up out of there. That is what I think we're going to see. Now, like I said, I've never done one of these before, so who the heck knows. Look at that. Look at that. That's all I did. Over on the bench, I'll show you what exactly I did, so you know for sure what you're doing. Something else to be remembered, I did not unhook any batteries. So if you see a yellow wire in here, which I don't see any, don't touch it. It's that's for the airbag. Okay. And then on the back, there should be a wiring clip. I'm sorry about this light. This light is so bright. I'm trying to figure out how to use it still. Just push in on the top tab. Okay, I may have to set the camera down for just a minute. I'll get right back to you. Just push in on this top tab and pull out. It will come out. I just can't do it one-handed. Get right back to you. Okay, here's the top tab. Man, that light's bright. Here's the top tab. You just push in, pull out. You're good to go. And there's where your top, or excuse me, this is where your plug-in goes. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in, turn the key on, and see if the back wipers work. If they do work, we're in good shape. If they do not work, we're not in good shape, because I have checked the fuses, and like I said, I have checked for juice back there at the motor, and there was none. So let me get the new switch. I'll pop it in, or I'll just plug it in and we'll see if it works. I'll get right back to you. Okay, that was the problem. I don't want to run the wiper any more than I have to, for the simple reason that blade is junk. That's how long the customers let this go. But all this does is goes back down in, snaps in, okay, see your ear, and then you got your tab. You got your ear right here, and you got your tab. That's all there is to it. You just set that down in there, make sure it snaps okay, and that's it. And then your top cover goes on, just like so, and put your 2 screws back in. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. That is so simple, so easy to do. Like I said, don't be intimidated by stuff. So, but as for this light, I'm going to do a full review on it. That thing is bright, and then I hope it didn't screw up any of my footage, but it probably did. So, if you have any questions, post them down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.